From 2017, Transport for London will be introducing Crossrail services.
Crossrail, or should I say the Elizabeth line, so confusing, is coming. And one of the key stations in the network is Abbey Wood, which is due to start services in 2018. Jeff made a video about it. You can see it on YouTube.
That the new tunnels under London open to the public and services start between Paddington and Abbey Wood.
So when Network Rail called up and asked me to come down to take a look at the progress at Abbey Wood, I said, OK then.
Good morning and welcome to a building site, also known as Abbey Wood Station. 3 million people currently use this station every single year, and in 8 weeks' time it's going to reopen with 2 new platforms and a brand new timber roof.
More about the roof later. Before we can go on site though, we do need to get kitted up, health and safety obvs. As you can see, when we get onto site, getting this open on time is going to be tight. Look at this. This is the main entrance. Here it is in real life. This is the ticket hall. Here's how that looks at the minute. Clearly lots to do, but the crew are working hard, and the finished station, which should look like this, will have a unique roof. Here is Network Rail's Senior Programme Manager, Peter Hume.
We've had a strong design for many years now that we've stuck with in order to create this station that integrates with the local area. And one of the key features has been the design of the roof. We've used a company called VHAG, which specialise in products, a glulam roofing wood products that can be lifted in, again a modular type that we can construct quickly on site, but that is visible and open to the public and gives a really strong impression when you first walk in that you are in a unique environment.
With the floor going down in the ticket hall, the clock is ticking to that end of October deadline. Peter is confident though.
We're in the final few weeks now of station construction. The station is structurally complete. We're now working on the finishes, the fit out of the station, getting ready for operational opening, as you say, at the end of October this year.
Crossrail trains won't be running from Abbey Wood until next year, but commuters will be using the brand new station well before Christmas 2017. You can find loads more on Crossrail on our YouTube channel.